Hello everyone! Today we will learn how to make sesame seed laddus or delicious treats using maple syrup or palm jaggery syrup. The use of sesame seeds is found in different cultures all across the globe, and for good reason. Sesame seeds is a source of fiber and good fats that our body needs, and in addition, it has minerals that are required to maintain good bone health, and this includes calcium. Just consuming 50 to 100 grams of sesame seeds weekly ensures that we get 1 gram of calcium, and all bioavailable, that is completely absorbed by our body. So let's learn this delicious way of including sesame seeds in our food. Take about 100 grams of sesame seed if you're making for a week and put it in a vessel that you can roast it in. You can use a steel container or an iron, as I'm showing you both the options here. Sesame seeds can actually get burnt very quickly, so use a low to medium flame and keep stirring the sesame seeds as you are roasting them. They will start browning as the roasting process nears completion, and some of it, as you can see in the cast iron container, have actually become a little darker than I wanted. A few more minutes of continuous roasting and you turn off the gas, and you have the option of adding some cardamom powder, and I'm doing that here since I had some pre-made, and mix it all up and take it off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. Now the seeds are cooled and ready for grinding. You can use a blender, food processor, mixer, anything that you have, and make sure that it grinds down to a rough consistency. Put the powder that you have now in a bowl or a container where you can mix it easily using your hands. This is palm jaggery, one of the two options that I'm showing you here to make the sweet sesame laddus. Depending on your preference, for 100 grams sesame seeds, you can use about 75 grams of jaggery, palm jaggery. Sprinkle some water on the palm jaggery and keep for an hour, and then pour it into a vessel where you can warm it and melt. You can add a little water as needed, and you can make more syrup than you require for the laddus and saves the extra syrup for use in other things. When the jaggery is ready and syrupy, strain it into the sesame seed mix, and straining is important because the impurities that are normally found in the palm jaggery get filtered out. Give an initial mix with a spoon because the jaggery syrup is hot, but then use your hands to turn the mixture into a dough. Take a small part of this dough and roll it between your palms to make the small laddus or little balls. And there you have, make them any size you want, sesame seed laddus with palm jaggery. And there you have 1 gram of calcium that can be completely absorbed by our body. Now you can eat this throughout the week as you please, or split it between all family members and make a fresh batch when this gets consumed. You can make the sesame laddus using maple syrup instead of palm jaggery. Make sure that the maple syrup is pure maple syrup and organic. Put the number of tablespoons as per your preference and give it a nice mix, turning the mixture again into a soft dough. You can add some other things like coconut powder, as I had some, and mix it into the laddu mix. Now pinch a part of the dough depending upon the size of the laddu that you want to make and roll it again between the palms of your hands. And there you go, your maple syrup sesame seed laddus are ready for use through the week. Dr. Khader has been prescribing sesame seeds for people who have been bedridden for 10 to 15 years, suffering from numerous kinds of arthritic conditions, and now able to walk, able to carry on with their normal activities like walking, driving, just by eating sesame seeds regularly, along with other things in the protocol that he suggests. There are other ways of using sesame seeds, like making sesame milk. So let's include sesame seeds in our diet and start our journey to natural healing and maintaining good health.